Hello everyone, and welcome to this brief tutorial series on how to use Sinque. In this first part, I will show you how to make your new account. So first you download the app from the Google Play Store or App Store to your phone. I'm using an iPhone in the video, but the steps will be identical if you use an Android phone. So this is the first screen you will see after you've opened the app, and you are presented with two options, signing up and logging in. Since you will be making a new Sinque account, tap the yellow Sign Up button. If you have a previous account from the old app, you can press Log In and use the same information. And now you should see the form where you enter your information. You start out with your name and then move on to your email address. If you ever forget your password, you can request a new one and we will send it to you to this very same address. After you've selected a password, enter your date of birth and gender and then select the units you'd want your weight and height to be shown in the app. And in this very important step, you tell the app your weight goal, either maintaining weight, gaining weight or losing weight. And now we select a group to be part of. If you are using Sinque for a gym, your office or a dietitian, you should find them here in this list. If you're an individual user, you can select that option, like I'm doing in the video. It will then ask you to fill in a subgroup. Now most groups will only have one subgroup, so make sure you select that one. But if a gym has, for instance, multiple personal trainers, you can pick out the trainer that is helping you. And lastly, there's our privacy statement. Make sure to carefully read this and click confirm, and then you can press sign up to finish creating your account and be transported to the homepage. And be sure to watch part 2 of this video series in which I show you how to weigh yourself with the Sinque weight monitor. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.